just looking out to sea here. I'm sitting in a restaurant called ᴄᴏᴘᴘᴘᴇ. I'm sitting right on the beach here. Beautiful, beautiful blue ocean. I'll show you that in a minute if you haven't already seen it. ᴄᴏ, the restaurant's right there. Asian, pan-Asian, so it does kind of, you know, it'll do some sort of Thai food, some Indian food, a big old mixture. One of the reasons I'm here, not only because it's on the beach and it's beautiful, but they do this thing called a copper barbecue boat. It's just a big sort of boat shaped copper thing. It's actually a barbecue, got some lovely stuff on it. And I love it, it's beautiful. Now, there's one thing that happens in this part of the world, and that is today it's 40 degrees. I think that's about 104. So that's hot, isn't it? But we know it's not hot yet. That's the scary thing. It's going to get into the late 40s at least. And then when the humidity kicks in Bahrain, wow, there is no chance I'll be sitting here. Anyway, I'm going to order some food. I might start off with some water and maybe a nice chai or something, a karak tea or a masala tea. But yeah, lovely little place on the beach. So, I've just ordered. I ordered the copper barbecue boat, chicken biryani, and a couple of naan breads. Now, what I've got here is a lovely little tea, masala tea, ginger, cardamom, a few other spices in there. Very milky and sweet. Comes in a lovely little clay pot. Delicious. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you very much. That looks amazing, doesn't it? So, we've got the Bahrain flag flying on our copper boat. Nice barbecue under there, the smoke's coming out the chimney at the back. What have we got there? I've got some big, fat prawns there. Shish taouk, which is kind of chicken cooked with yogurt. Chicken tikka, the kind of orange one on the right. Shami kebab at the front there, which is like a lamb. And then there's some chicken, tandoori chicken there. Really, really delicious. Lovely, lovely, beautiful naan bread. Some yogurt. Some curry gravy there and a chicken biryani to go with that lovely boat. Oh yeah. Okay, chicken biryani, yogurt, gravy sauce, naan, mint sauce, tomato chutney, tandoori chicken, shami kebab, lovely prawns there, beautiful barbecue prawns, little bit of salad, and of course that lovely tea. Oh, see you in a minute. Wow. I mean, really delicious. Like that barbecue is really sort of succulent, spicy, just really aromatic. I really, really love that. The biryani was amazing. All the little trimmings and everything. I've still got this little tea on the go. And of course, in Bahrain, water, plenty of. Right, I'm gonna go have a little stroll down the beach. And that's it. I'll see you soon. See you later. completely deserted, this beach. There's just no one here at all. No one at all. It will get a bit busy later on, that's for sure. But right now, oh no, there's one person down there. I don't know what he's doing. 40 degrees today. It's warming up.